Sunday was here again. Mayank was busy in his job, and his mother was busy in her daily years. Miss, pressure cooker.
I'm getting it. Yeah, I understand that it is important, but Ma, can't handle your pressure cooker properly. And these children have no work all day. They are playing, and they are not even letting me work. Okay, I'll be there by 11 tomorrow.
আরে বাবু এখন যাস না, আমি তোকে জল খাবার বানিয়ে দিচ্ছি, তারপর যাস।
না মা, কি করছো? Wait, we have this?
আরে ওইগুলো নিয়ে কোথায় যাচ্ছিস তুই?
আমি ঘরে যাচ্ছি, পরে আসবো। I remember this day. Yeah, I remember this day very clearly.
Scene 2. Scene shifts to school. Now we're going to show the old memories of Mayank when he was a kid, showing how he spent his school days.
আমরা টেবিল এদিকে ধরছি, বেঞ্চ ব্ল্যাকবোর্ড এদিকে ধরছি, টিউশন এদিকে। একটা বোল নির্বোল
सोने किसी बोले नहीं 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 इतना नहीं কি হচ্ছে কি এটা কি হচ্ছে হে give it to me
I will not give it to you.
why
Give it to you.
Bro, don't make a fuss. Give it to me.
Why?
তোর কি একটু মাথার সমস্যা?
হ্যাঁ রে, আমার মাথায় একটু সমস্যা, এক্ষুনি না মেরে তোর মাথাটা ফাটিয়েই দেবো। কি হবে রে আজ? শেষ, পুরো শেষ।
What were you all doing? Should I call all your parents? Should I do that?
ma'am you are totally misunderstanding us we don't meet in a serious way we love Gandhiji no violence
Really? You think you can outsmart me? I have been teaching you for more than 10 years now. Your tricks are well known to me at least. Okay?
Ma'am, I swear we're just writing date on the boat.
Really, where?
Ma'am, he did.
Yes, ma'am, he is the main.
Oh, stop it! Ma'am, what are you all doing? Ma'am, do you remember we had a test today? We had a test today on Lost Spring. Yes, I remember that.
Who told you to remind her about the test today?
But she was scolding them. Now you all, go and sit there. Go. I'm giving some questions. You're going to write that. Okay? Don't make any noise.
Oi, Harshit. What is the answer of question number 4?
If I knew the answers, wouldn't I write it instead of looking at the ceiling fan?
What is the answer?
Rohini, tell me the answer number 2.
Don't know.
I'm not sure. Ask Aditi na.
Ask them.
We had a fight na. How could I know?
Hey, do you know the answers?
No, we know the answers. We don't.
Please help us. We can give you 10 rupees also.
You all? What are you doing? Stand up. You also. Why are you sitting? How dare you to cheat in an exam? Sit down.
Please come down to the hall. Class 12, please come down to the hall.
Go now. Probably they have seen what you are doing from the CCTV camera. Go.
Let's go.
I told you guys to not shout. Now see. Let's go or we will get in further trouble. Let's go. Where to go? Principal ma'am's office. Don't you hear?
Let's go.
Go that side, center of the stage. Look at the camera. That side, not that side. Open it door.
Students, I called your class today for just 2 minutes for some important documents, and you started acting as if this is a school or the fish market. What is this behavior? Start acting to your age. You're seniors now. What will the juniors learn from you? Will you be teaching them to behave this horribly?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. This kind of horrible behavior isn't expected from seniors like you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now go to your class without making any noise. Hey, come here. Why black shoe? Why not white shoe? Stand here. Go stand here.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, today rainy, so it got wetty.
Shut up. Stand here. Now go to your class. Go.
Who told you, Saurav, to remind her of the test? And why did you...
But she was scolding them.
Why so?
You could have said the school prayer was about to start.
Never deal with it, as you have done.
It's just December. Can you imagine?
प्रतिद्वंदी से हार सबसे बड़ा धिक्कार लोभ प्रलोभ की हर फीलिंग तब तक इग्नोर करेंगे, सर ऊंचा करने लायक जब तक ना स्कोर।
Now we must study seriously. Finals are coming soon.
Yes.
Well, do we have any other options?
Now that's final. We need to study. Next 2 months, we need to study like there's no tomorrow. We need to be serious, guys. We need to be very serious.
I can already see myself homeless after this exam.
Oh, I can see my mother's flying chapel. It's coming towards me already.
Yeah, bro, that's true.
Seriously? Give me the mics from the exams we can Soon their exams start. Okay, আরেকটা chair. With their exams going on, the same shenanigans continue, but with a bittersweet feeling. The feeling that they won't be able to do this never again. The feeling they're leaving their school.
Ma'am, 5 minutes more, ma'am, 5 minutes more.
No, give time over. No,
No, no, ma'am, no, no, ma'am, no, no, ma'am, no,
Yes.
no, 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 ma'am.
give.
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
No,
Leave,
give.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll not take your talk copy then. Give.
Ma'am, one more question. Ma'am, one more question.
No.
Ma'am, one more question.
No, give it.
Bro, today I'll sleep peacefully.
That day until the result.
Bro, don't say that. What if it comes true?
Could you not fight for one scene at this day?
Let them fight, guys. Let them fight.
At least we will stay in touch.
Ade, in this era of 5G, we will meet every weekend and we will stay in touch. We will talk in phone every day.
But do you all realize this is the very last time you're wearing this uniform, sitting in this classroom, laughing and taunting each other? This is the very last time, guys.
Exactly, you are right.
I hope so. We stay in touch.
The promise that we made that day did not last more than a year. From school friends, we have now become Facebook friends. Our friendship has been limited to there. Maybe a second or a day, or in another year, or century, or another universe, we'll again sit together in the same benches. Maybe in another life or death, we'll talk together. The rebel Uday is now Inspector Uday. Our scientist Rohini is now an award-winning photographer. Sara, who lacked patience, is very, very careful about her patience. Saurabh fell in love with the mountains and became a mountaineer. Aditi was happy with her small business. Harshit made sure our borders were safe. And well, for Mayank, that is me, I'm an advocate working in corporate. One thing that I have realized today is to waste those precious moments of worrying instead of working hard and living it to its fullest is the biggest mistake one can do, because once this moment is gone, you will miss it forever.
That was really wonderful. Thank you from all of us. Now, after the drama, one last performance for all of you. This one would be a dance, an energetic one, I must promise. So, let us welcome all of our dancers on the stage.